What is up, dudes? How you guys been? Thanks for stopping by. So, today, got some good news. I got the tune back from Martin. Pretty stoked. It is a newer tune with bigger injectors, and it's tuned for the turbo that I'm actually running, which is the Garrett GT2871R. Let me show you. So before, I was running the 370 stock SR injectors, the N60 MAF, which I'll be keeping. It was originally a T25, T28 turbo, and of course, premium gas. And the new setup will be gonna be for a Garrett 2871R, 93 octane, and with the Subaru 550cc injectors. For the injectors, got these bad boys. So, I didn't tell you guys, but I used to have an O2 WRX, and I still had the STI injectors from when I still had the car. I sent them over to Lab to get them cleaned, located in Tampa. And basically what they do is they clean it and they flow test the injectors after. So you see before it was 520, 514, 510, and then after 555, 555. All good. So sometimes you don't need new injectors. You can just get some injectors and just send them to get cleaned and flow tested, of course. Big thanks to Martin at RS Enthalpy for the retune, and then Boost Lab for the refresh on the injectors. They even rebuilt it and put new caps. That's awesome of them. Alrighty, so now let's get the old injectors out, put the new injectors in, plug in the tune, and see how the car rips. But first, we gotta take some stuff apart. So right now, looks like we have to take off the strut bar. It is a DC Sports strut bar. Alrighty, then disconnect it from the harness. This is the fuel rail right here. This is the SR injector. I'll have to unscrew these. Looks like 8 bolts. Pop them in. Should be good to go. Alrighty, so strut bar is off. Let's get these injectors next. Woohoo! Nice. Whoa. Sick. sweet. Number 4. Sheesh. Look at these SR injectors. So, a lot of the end caps were broken. I wonder how that actually affected the squirt pattern. But good news is, I could always send these guys back to Boost Lab. I'll have a cleaned and rebuilt set of SR injectors. But look at these bad boys. Clean. Oh man. I remember running these in my bug-eyed WRX. But enough reminiscing. Let's lube these injectors. Gotta lube the O-ring so they don't tear. And then also lube the hole. Oh yeah, lube is good. And we'll be one step closer to starting up the car. Remember to always use lube. Ah, yes. You can't tear if you use lube. Alright. So, I have all 4 of the injector holes lubed up. Now, just gotta add the injectors, put the end caps on, connect them up. Alright. Let me get a little bit of help with that. Nice. Okay, now let's get the end caps. Nice. Alrighty guys, so, quick summary. New STI injectors are in, everything's tightened, buttoned up, ready to go. I have the flashed ECU already plugged in, buttoned up, ready to go. All we gotta do is see if it starts. Sheesh. Wish me luck. Oh, we got power. Ayy. I hear the fuel pump. Alright. Let's rock and roll. What? That started off so easily. What? Okay, where are we at? Okay. Oil pressure looks good. Oh, I mean, it's gonna be super cold because it hasn't been started in over a week. Idling is pretty good. What? Oh man, dudes. I didn't think it was gonna be that easy. Yoo-hoo! What? I'm stuck. It's idling perfectly fine. Oh man. Alrighty. First maiden trip. Oof. Wish me luck. Might have to say no to that maiden voyage. I wonder what that could be. Vacuum leak?
One eternity later.
What is up, guys? So, it's been a while. From that last clip that you've probably seen, it's been about a solid month. And I never finished off and told you guys what happened. So, unfortunately, I had some parts messed up. Originally, that last setup had the N60 MAF, and the new setup that I had to send out to Martin was for a Z32 MAF. So once I changed the N60 MAF, which is a old Maxima MAF, to the Z32 MAF, the car drove pretty okay. It was super rich. The idle would be at 11, and as soon as I hit the gas, it would just drop down to 10. Super loud crow. I ended up changing a lot of things. I changed the coolant temp sensor over here. I got new Iridium spark plugs. Changed out the O2 sensor. And this was a tough one. I changed out the NOx sensor. Yeah. The sensor that's all the way down there, in between the intake manifold and the block. It was pretty tough, but after changing everything, the car still drove pretty fine. I felt like I was chasing my tail a lot when it came to trying to find a vacuum leak that may or may have not existed. A good friend of mine, Ty, thank you Ty, he let me use his boost leak tester, and also let me use another Z32 MAF just to diagnose to see if it was a faulty MAF that I may have gotten. It's just still super rich. It would be weird in and out of boost. But right now, the new update is I have a actual dyno tune session scheduled for Wednesday coming up. At Trilogy Performance. So Troy have been slaying the KA game. I'd say here in Florida, Martin and Troy are the two KA senseis. They know everything. And I wanted to get off the RS Enthalpy tune. And I'll tell you why. Because I got... you guessed right. I got a used Mega Squirt for a super smoking good deal. So, you know, I figured why not finally get off RS Enthalpy? I have to be truthful. Whenever I have to diag on the car, I feel like I'm in the dark a lot about things. Hopefully with the Mega Squirt plug and play tube, I'll be able to hook it up to a laptop and it'll give me real-time information, which is super detrimental. But for now, we're gonna move on with the Mega Squirt. We are getting the car ready for tuning. Right now, we're gonna be doing an oil change. We have this super expensive but awesome oil. We'll put in a new Wix filter. I want to show you something cool. It's blue. What? When have you seen blue motor oil, right? But yeah, guys, wish me luck. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hopefully it will be a dyno tuning session with Troy at Trilogy Performance. Thanks for always watching, guys. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, and one other thing. I have an extra KA right here. So the thought behind this, we're gonna make a bulletproof KA, guys. The end all be all, the full kill forged bottom end, with the heads hopefully 260 cams. If not, I know the stock heads will handle to like 500-600 horsepower easy, but I got this KA. You're gonna help me take it apart, watch me struggle. We're gonna figure some things out along the way, and yeah, thanks guys. Catch you later. One more time.